Hi, Tim. Good evening. Am I audible? Okay, all right. I'm getting thumbs up. That means audible. Okay, all right. So, this is our, I think, second meet. In first session, I explain you what's the scenario of the data analytics, and in today's class, I'll explain you each and everything regarding our project. That how much project you have to do regarding like in this month which project you have to work. That's the thing I am today I am explaining. Okay, so just wait 2 3 minutes. I can see 28 people are joining. We'll wait for 2 3 minutes, then we'll start, so that no need to repeat again. Okay. Okay, I hope everyone joined in this session. So I'm sharing my screen so that you can understand. See, I hope everyone received this document. That this is the document that is related for project. That means what you have to deliver. So see here, three projects are mentioned over here. First is e-commerce conversion funnel analysis. Okay. Project two is HR attrition and workforce dashboard. And the third thing that is supply chain inventory optimization. Okay, so I am expecting from you that one by one will deliver one project in each month. Okay, so today is the seventh. Okay, I can see, yeah, seventh. So you can expect the project review will be conducted after 25. Okay, so generally after 25 we will try to start our students work. Okay, okay. So from today we have almost 20 days time in our hand, almost lump sum. Okay, I'm assuming. So meanwhile in this time you have to deliver the things. So I request everyone to start work on this project. Okay, not do like two or three right now. Focus on first project. Okay, so today I'll help you to understand what basically you have to do, and I will break it down for you guys also, that like how you have to develop the things. Okay, all right. So whenever you are picking up a new project, so in this case always focus on, first try to understand what is the user requirement. That means, as a designer, what is client looking for us. Okay, okay, I'll break it down for you guys. My screen is visible, team.
Yes, sir.
Okay, all right. Okay, all right. Now, it in black only. Okay, so first I'll try to explain the things as a layman term. Okay, so what is the things that we have to deliver a e-commerce conversion funnel analysis? Okay, so uh, first I'll break it down. What is actually we need to deliver? Okay, so our uh, let's suppose we have some e-commerce website. Okay, so there we are getting a lot of visitor. Okay, but few but very few people are actually uh, complete their purchase. Okay, so the business team cannot see where the user drop off in the sales funnel. Okay, so it is during add to cart or checkout. So in this case, our goal is to build a Power BI dashboard, okay, to track the customer journey and highlight where user drop off, so the product manager can quickly act on it. Okay, so this is the user requirement. Here it says that e-commerce business is high web traffic but low sales conversion rate. They lack visibility into customer journey and cannot pinpoint where the sales funnel are used to drop out. Okay, leading to lost revenue. So this is the meaning of your project that you have to deliver. Okay, so I hope you understand what I try to say. For an example, I am pulling up an example. Let's suppose if 70% of user that drop between add to cart and checkout. What I say is 70% user drop between add to cart and checkout. Okay, the dashboard should be so in clearly. If we filter by mobile user and see 90% drop off, so we immediately know something is wrong in this mobile checkout page. So we have come up with a solution. Okay, so I hope you understand what is the step one. Okay, that like our e-commerce website getting lots of traffic, but people are not, some people are buying, some people are not, so we have to figure it out. So this is the problem statement. So next thing is we have to know uh, like what we have to deliver. Okay, step two, if we talking about, so here you like you have to build a end-to-end Power BI dashboard. Okay, it's called clickstream funnel analysis. Okay, you have to prepare a Power BI dashboard.
Sir, once more repeat step one.
Step one is nothing but this is the user requirement. What it is, I says that go through this requirement. Okay, what it says that An e-commerce business has high web traffic but low sales conversion rate. They lack visibility into customer journey and cannot pinpoint where the sales funnel uses and drop out. What it mean? Okay, that means you have the website. Okay, lots of visitors are coming, but very few people are actually complete their purchasing. Getting my point? So as a business team, you
Okay, bro.
can, you cannot see where the user drop off and the sales funnel. So like it is during add to cart or checkout, you have to do that. Our goal is to build a prepare a Power BI dashboard that track customer journey and the highlight where the user drop off, okay, so that they can revive. That's the meaning of it. Nothing but nothing hard it is, okay. So this is the step I am talking about. And in step 2 we have to build a Power BI dashboard, okay. That the name of the dashboard is click stream funnel analysis. What it says, click stream. Okay, randomly right now I am writing, so I'll prepare you a PDF. You can go through into it. Okay, I am writing to explain you guys. Okay, what it says is TREAM stream funnel analysis. Okay, so here you have to you have to prepare some product page. There you have to check the like it's you have to prepare a dashboard, okay, in Power BI. There you have to highlight the product page, add to cart, checkout, and okay, let's write it over here. So you have to showcase the things as a funnel, okay, a funnel of sta- stages. So what it is, so we are expecting in home page, you have to highlight some product page, product product page. Don't confuse. Product page means the home page, the dashboard, okay. There you have to add add to cart. Then you have to check out, okay, check out things and what they actually looking for purchase. Purchase, purchase. That's it. Check out. So we have a prepared funnel. We have what happened? We have a prepared funnel. There we have to highlight the things. Second thing here, we have to also add the KPI, like any session related KPI. Any okay, I'm writing. We have to add some KPI like session SESSION sessions, orders orders, uh, conversion rate, conversion conversion rate, uh, average, average, order value, order value, okay, cart, uh, this kind of things you have to add in KPI. Okay, don't confuse. First listen, okay, and go through the PDF. Then you will definitely understand. Next, you have to check, like you have to go through the pages to see which page are user left from. Okay, so you have to check. That means you have to drill through. You have to drill through the page to see which page user left form, okay. So when you are done with it, here you have to apply some filter for the device type, in which date they are coming, the traffic source, all the thing you have to check on the basis of the data. Okay, so we are talking about that. Here you have to use the filters for device, uh, type, date, and yeah, traffic source. TRAFFIC SOURC, traffic source. So the final dashboard will answer something acts like by your own. Okay, that means where the user are dropping off the most. Okay, so this is the main thing you can ask to you. Where where are users dropping off most? Okay, so this is the big question. Next, you can ask yourself that which device has the highest drop rate? Which device has the highest highest drop rate? Okay. Third thing that you can ask by yourself to develop, like which marketing campaigns are bring to most sales. Okay, so you have to figure it out these things also. Which marketing uh, campaign campaign brings the most sales. Okay. Also, you can check out like what our cost per acquisition. It's called CPA. So if you try to trigger these things, you will mostly able to deliver the things. Okay. So this is the our step two that we have to do. Third thing that I feel required, that is like you have to know how how the data you have to use. Okay, so for this I'll tell we are looking for a specific website or something. So web event data we have to check, that's called click stream. Okay, that means you have to check which event id are happening there, which user id are coming, which session id they are checking, event type, any page url, timestamp, device type, or like traffic source, campaign id. That's the thing you have to check for click stream. Okay, so here we have to know we have to know about the data the data you will use. Just Tim, give a minute, I'll plug in my system. Okay, where we are talking about we have to know like the data that we will use. Okay, so here I am talking about that wave event data. Okay, that's called click stream. Okay, So here we have to check the event ID, which I already told, the user ID, the session in which session they are checking, the event type, the page URL, timestamp, device type, traffic. That's the thing you have to check. Okay. Second thing, you have to check the order date. Okay. You have to check order date, what it is. So here the order id, the user id, session id, the uh, order values, order date, campaign id, these things you have to find on your data set. Okay, so don't think like that much that from how we can develop. So in data set, from your data set you can find rest of the things. Okay. Third thing is you have to check the campaign or ad cost data. Okay. So the company is try to push their sales. So for this you have to check what the campaign, CAMPAIG, campaign, or ad, CMPAGN, campaign, or ad cost data. Okay, simple thing. So for example, I'll giving you a simple example. So let's suppose each row in every logs is one user. Okay, so they like the page, they view, okay, and they coming for a product, they do add to cart or purchase. So we will track each user sessions. Okay, connect into it, order and analyze where the user is stopped. Okay, so we have to check the thing. So due to their web search we can find it out. Okay, so I'm go to that much technical things, but like basically we don't have to do that much, but for your understanding, thing like that. Okay, step four that we have to deliver. We have to explain, we have to not explain, we have to know how we can clean the data. Okay, we have to check
Sir,
and know. Yeah, I'm coming. Data cleaning. Okay, so using Power Query, we can do. Yeah, who is there?
sir, I'm sorry, Rama.
Okay.
Sir, the data set can be given by you or my own.
No, no, you can collect any data set on the basis of the user requirement by your own.
Okay, sir.
Team need a confirmation. So what I try to explain, I hope something at least you are understand the things, or everything going bounce to your head. Need a confirmation.
Uh, Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Good evening, sir. Sir, I want to ask for that project, you have to provide the data, yeah, otherwise we have to select data from Kaggle.
So same question someone is asking. So I say everyone from last day also and today also. So if I give same data for everyone, it will not, uh, I think that will not work uh, properly. Okay, that means everyone is showcasing same things. So for this, I give you permission or transparency, whatever you say, you can collect any data set on the basis of whatever requirement is given to you. Open platform, you can collect and you can work. Clear, everyone?
Okay, fine. Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
Okay. Okay, great, great. Need a response team. Like what thing I explain, you guys at least something understand. That's why I'm multiple time repeating and also writing the things over the notepad. What it is, word. Okay, Tejaswini is giving thumbs up. Okay, don't worry. I'll send you the things, okay, so that you can understand. So, fourth step that you have to know how you have to clean. Okay, so first you have to bring all the raw data into your Power Query using Power BI. Okay, there you can clean and prepare it before using for analysis. Okay, so the rule is very simple. So there you have to import your file. It might be Excel or CSV, whatever in Power Query, and there you have to remove the duplicate. And if there are any empty rows are there, you have to fix the data type, timestamp, and date time. Okay. The numeric for like order value and like text for the ID. So that's the thing we can do for cleaning. Okay, like you can check the standardized like event type, for example. Like you have to make sure all the version for add to cart and like the level of the things. Okay, so you have to extract the UTM parameters of campaign details for URL if available. Okay, so that's the thing you are getting in data. You don't have to think. And at the end you have to handle the missing sessions ID by creating the new ones and using the sessional logic. Okay, in simple word, like in this step you have to clean your data, and you have to prepare all the raw data, so the Power BI can understand it. That's it. Okay, in next step we have to do, that is step 5. You have to explain the like sessionization. Okay, if it's required. Okay, so what it is, I'll tell. Like every user may perform multiple action into their visit. Okay, that's in this session. So like if we don't already have any session ID, okay, so we'll create once. If they don't have, we'll create once. So like it's a group event, let's suppose. Okay, it's a group event by user and break a new session. Like if there are interactive for more than 30 minutes. Okay, I'll create an example for you. So if a user click 10 times within 10 minutes in one session, so they come back after 2 hours. Okay, so that's the new session. Basically what I try to say, if like user clicks 10 times, okay, something they are doing and clicking 10 times within 10 minutes. Okay, so it's one session. Okay, in one session they can do this kind of things 10 times, they're clicking within 10. Like if they come back after 2 hours, what's the new session we can provide to them to provoke them to buy the product. Okay, that's the thing we have to predict somewhere. Okay, this is the thing generally we are sometimes doing, and sometimes we are also skipping. Okay, so here we have to explain SESSIO NIZATION sessionization. Okay, if needed. Okay, next step, that is you have to work with data modeling. That's called star schema. Star schema data modeling. That's we call star star schema. So what it is, once our data is clean, and we'll in this model it using a star schema in Power BI. Okay, so for this we have to check our event and order. Okay, so try to understand the things using an example. Like the fact, something the fact is there. Okay, so in the table you have to store the measurable something. Okay, like the clicks, how many click they are doing to come in my website, or like how many things they are do add to cart, and like some dimension tables that store in descriptive data like who, when, and what device and which campaign they are doing. So that's the thing basically we have to check in data modeling. Okay. Next thing, we have to use DAX. What I say, we have to use DAX measurement. So, here you have to check which session are ongoing. So in the data set you can get the things. Okay, like any particular session ID. So this will tell how many unique user are coming in the particular session. Okay. Second thing is you have to check on the orders also. That means you have to check how many orders are placed. Okay. Also you have to check the conversion rate. That means the orders, the sessions, like out of the all session how many are converted. Okay, some people are coming and check like at the end how many are actually converted. Also you have to check the average order value, it called AOV. So this is nothing but the total revenue divided by orders. Okay, also you have to check the cart abdomin's rate. It's like the session that the added to cart by don't buying the things, or any session that you are doing something add to cart. So that's the thing also you have to check in DAX. Also one more thing is existing, it's called CPA. That means cost per acquisition. So this is nothing but the campaign cost you are investing divided by the orders. Okay, let's see, try to understand as an example. Okay, if we had a thousand session, okay, and 100 order are there, so our conversion rate is here 10%. Okay, so if our conversion rate, let's suppose $500. Okay, so for these 100 order, like our CPA is 5. So CPA, what I told, that is cost per acquisition. This is nothing but campaign cost divided by order. So some formula we have to remember to deliver the things. Okay. I hope you understand that you have to perform. Don't worry, I'll send it out, go through into it. Next step, that is step 8. That is, here you have to know like how we can build the final visualization. Okay, so the main page in the funnel visualization, each stage prepare a part of the customer journey. Okay, like home page, any product page, any add to cart, checkout, and purchase. That's the thing we have to do. Okay, like a funnel chart shows like the percentage drop between the each stage. Okay, so right now uh building we are building the funnel visualization. VISUALIZATION. So here I told that a funnel chart showcasing the percentage drop between each stages, or the KPIs cards on the top like sessions, order, conversion rate. That's the thing. Also, you can implement the slicer on the slide that's called device type and traffic source, date range. So that's the thing you can highlight. Okay, like this is the some product manager instantly see where the user is actually dropping off. Okay, so for example, which I earlier told, 70% between the ad and cut checkout things. Okay. Okay, next step, that is like you have to uh, know about the supporting pages. Okay, so what it is SUPPO, supporting pages. So here you have to analyze the traffic, TRAFF, traffic, and campaign, CAMPAIGN, campaign analysis, ANALYSIS. So here we have to check the sales by uh, traffic source, or like using different website. You can go through Google, Facebook, email. Okay, you have to check the conversion rate by campaign. You have to check the CPA, that called cost per acquisition. So this help marketing see which campaign performs better. Okay, nothing else. Second thing that we have to check, that drop uh, drop of analyze. So what it is? So here you can implement drill through, DRILL, drill through. This is one concept, don't worry. THROUGH. So here you have to check the list of the user or the session that added to cart, but they did not buy. Okay, so one thing. Second thing, you have to check the last page they visited, and here you can implement some filter by device or browser to find out. Okay, so try to understand as an example. Uh, let's suppose if you click on a like funnel state, that means something add to cart. Okay, and the deal through, that means they are seeing all the uh, session that stopped there. Okay, and maybe realizing 90% of the or like mobile, any browser or anything. Okay, so here main thing is you have to check the traffic campaign analysis. Okay, so for this, whatever you have to do, you have to do in whatever what it is, the sales by traffic source from Google, Facebook, email. You have to check the CPA, it's called cost per acquisition, and also you have to check the conversion rate by campaign. Okay, and also drop off analysis. In drop off analysis, you can check the filter, the last page visit. That's the thing you have to check. Next, almost all the things you've done. Next thing is step 10. Okay. In step 10, you have to polishing and publishing the things. Okay. That means you have to apply the same some color theme across the pages. You can bookmark for the navigation what is required. You can set up the schedule for data refresh. Okay. So that's the thing you can do. Also, you can create some dashboard alerts if conversion rate is less than 5. So that's the thing you can do. And at the end, you can check the things for testing or validation so that it can be deliverable. Okay. Simply, I'll wrap up the things very easy. Okay. First week, you have to work on data engineering. Okay. First week, you have to work on data engineering, INGESTI, engineering, cleaning, and modeling or model planning, we can say. Okay, so here we are clean the data, the schema. We are try to ready the schema. That's the thing we have to deliver. Now coming to week two. In week two, we have to build a star schema. What I said here, we have to build a star schema. A star schema, SCHEMA schema. Also, we have to work on the core DAX things, and you have to check the funnel visualization. Okay, So here you have to mainly check the funnel page as well as the KPIs. Okay. In week 3, what happened? In week 3, we have to deliver the, like, if you want to add some advanced DAX, okay, if you want to add some advanced DAX, okay, or some traffic, some traffic, and drop of page. So that's the thing you have to check for full interactive dashboard so that we can easily prepare the things. And in fourth week, in week 4, that you have to check the testing. That means how it's actually working. If need any changes, so you can do the changes on according to it. You can polishing your dashboard, okay, and publishing. That's the thing you have to do. Okay. I hope you understand what you have to do. Okay. I'll wrap up the things once again using another example. Okay. So, for example, what you have to do, imagine that you are a product manager. Okay. So, you open the dashboard. So, in this case, you see the 10,000 sessions are there, but only 500 orders are placed. Okay. So, in this case, it is a 5% conversion rate. So, in this case, you have to check the click on the funnel page, and you have to very good way, you have to check that 70% drop between their, like, they are doing add to cart and checkout, so they apply on particular device, so you have to use the filter, like in which device they are coming, and any particular drop of sales. Okay, so they drill through, like you have to drill through into it so that you can find all those user are using any particular browser or not. Okay, that mean the mobile checkout might be broken. Okay, so this insight help you to dev team to fix immediately, and they are like what the power of the, so that's the power of the dashboard, I believe. Okay, it's very easy. What you have to do, I'll write each and everything step by step. So today I'll try to explain what is inside our project. Okay, so that's the thing you can see what I basically see in layman term. What I say, a product manager open the click stream dashboard immediately, see the sales funnel is visual, 70% drop, add to cart, like stages, the checkout stages, they apply the device type slicer. That means they are checking like which things are add to cart, from which device it's add to cart, each and everything you can explore via dataset. Okay, so only you have to perform this operation, but don't need to check like from where you can get the data. Okay, so as a engineer, as a scientist, as a analyst, you have the things and you have to do. Here you have to little bit you have to do little bit research from where you can get from online you can do. So what I already told, that's the thing written over here, the data model, core DAX, conversion things, even what you have to do, each and everything is written over here. Okay, so go through this user requirement. I'll also send you something that I break it down for you, that what step you have to follow to deliver. That's the thing. Okay, now tell me if you have any question or doubt into it. Again, I am telling those who are enrolled for 2 month internship, I am expecting from you to deliver each month one. That means you have to do two project, and those who are enrolled for three, I'm expecting from three, but if you're not able to do, at least do two project very sincerely. That's the thing from my end. Now tell me if you have any question or doubt. I'll try to clarify.
So,
Regarding the team allocation, 1 minute, I'll coming. I wanted a small concern regarding the team allocation. See, team allocation thing is not in my hand. Like how they arrange, we have to follow the things. But regarding this, if you have any question, you can reach out to them. Okay, okay. Who is there? Something. Someone is asking something.
Sir, if I have a doubt, I'm doing a project, how can we reach out to
Okay,
you?
so see here in every classes, first 5 to 10 minutes, I'll ask you the question, doubt, whatever you have. Feel free to ask me. I'll clarify over the class. That will helpful to overall classes. Okay, so that's if we like ask something, so someone is thinking about it, so it will be helpful for you to find out. Okay, so that's why I'll clarify each and every doubt in the class.
Okay, sir.
Hmm. Any more question or doubt?
Hello, sir.
Yeah, Arti.
Sir, how many data set is needed for this project?
One dataset is enough. Collect. So this is a little bit tricky thing for you, like not only you, for you guys, everyone, that which dataset is actually suitable for it. So for this, you have to do little bit research, or else you can generate some dataset using AI. You can do. Okay, so this is the requirement for this. I need some dataset. That's the thing also you can do. One dataset, using one dataset you can do in there, you have particular row as and column, on the basis of it you can do research.
Okay,
Okay,
okay, sir.
one question I'm getting in chat box: on dashboard, how can I decide which chart and graph is suitable for the function? Okay, so for these training sessions are conducted, like I'll tell you where the funnel chart, where is the horizontal chart, bar chart, where is donut chart, and all the things is required. On the basis of it, you have to implement. Okay, don't worry, I'll tell each and everything. Sir, out of three project, any two project we can do specifically, we have to do. So I am encouraging you to do three. If you're not able to deliver three, at least do two. That's the thing I'm telling. First, try to hit three projects right now. Don't place the things into your mind that I have to do two only. I know Tableau never used Power BI. Power BI is mandatory. So see why I'm telling, not I'll say mandatory. If you are good in Tableau, so you can go for it in Tableau. Why I'm saying this, because Power BI is very user friendly and maximum people are using Windows operating system, so you can get it from there. That's why I'm telling. But if you are comfortable in Tableau, you can go through into it. So reply my question. I already tell your question, like which thing you are asking for. Like I'll tell you, like where which thing you have to implement. How can I clean the data? So in Power Query, in Power BI, you can clean the data. Okay, or else you in Excel also you can import your data, and you can clean the data set. Okay, I'll recommend you go through in Power BI, in their Power Queries existing, is from there you can do. Next question, sir. Will we get any sample structure or wireframe on our dashboard? So, see, I'll help you to design the things. I'll tell you each and everything what you have to do, but that's the structural things you have to develop by your own. If I'll do it, then what else is existing for you? So I'll tell each and everything what you have to deliver. Use your brain, apply it, and implement it. Okay, where you are struggling, let me know in the class. I'll help you out. Okay. Any more question?
Sir, according to the publish of the project,
According to,
how can publish of the project in Power BI?
okay,
It's a subscription based. I doesn't have a subscription.
who
What is the
says it's
other?
subscription required? Power BI is completely free. Go to Microsoft Store and type Microsoft. What it's the name. Just give me a minute. I'll tell you. Power BI Desktop. If you write Power BI Desktop, you can see there is a application. It's completely free. Even it's don't required to sign up. No subscription required to do.
Okay, sir.
Hmm. Any more question, team? Okay, please don't confuse what I mention. I'll send you guys go through the PDF as well as what the PDF is providing by company. First, try to understand the business problem, then jump to into it. Okay, don't use this XYZ blah blah blah. Okay, first try to understand, think twice thrice like what I have to do, structure it into your mind, then implement, then go for implementation. Okay, what would be the timing of the class? So the class timing will be in 9 to 10 p.m. Okay, like every right now we are try to conduct the class in month 3 times. Okay, but I'll not sure about it. It might be more or less, but you can assume weekly 3 times we'll meet, and in between 9 to 10. Okay, there I will uh, first ask you a question, doubt if you have any, then I'll move to the training session. Like each and every day, I'll pull up a topic and I'll end it, and I'll ask you what is the report, like update on the things. So each and everything I'll clarify. Okay, any more question? If you have, please feel free to ask me, or else I'll wind up the session. How was today's session? Something at least you are able to understand. If my things is clear, give a thumbs up so that I can understand. My folks are able to understand the things. Okay, lots of people are understood. Okay, great, great. One chat I'm getting, if there have any problem while you can you connect. So again, I'm telling whatever doubt and question, if you are feeling, even it is a silly question or doubt, don't hesitate, ask me in the class. It will help to others peoples also to clarify the things. Okay, so first 5 to 10 minutes, I'll clarify your question. Like not only you, those who have. Sir, can you please let me know whom I should contact about my team allocation query? I have mailed twice but have not got any update. So, what's the issue you have? Like you have to work with your friends. So the thing is support at the rate jalima.com. So there you can drop a mail or else some phone number you have, I think. So there you can reach out for any doubt or anything for like management related things. Now, not able to understand completely. I am not at all aware about it, what to do. Okay, so the call is recorded, Sukanya. So you can go through the recorded session as well as after this class, I'll send you some uh, notes. That means what I try to convey, I'll try to document it, go through into it. In next class, let me know if you're not able to understand anything. Okay. Hetvi Patel, I'll request you regarding this. You can contact to management. Okay. According to I am the only girl in my project, while three of the boys. I would feel more comfortable if at least one female member could be added. Okay, I'm getting your point. So you can highlight the things into them. Okay, so that they can edit the things accordingly. See, I am the trainer. This thing is not in my hand. Okay, so this thing only edit or done by admin or management. Okay, thank you for raising the things. If possible, I'll try to highlight the things. But once you reach out to them, okay, don't worry.
Sir,
Every problem have solution. Yeah, who is there?
sir, if we gather data from AI, is it valid or not?
You can do. You can
Okay,
do.
sir. That's not a problem.
Not a problem because AI is for reduce our work. Okay, so if you feel that this data is okay and like not okay, some like if AI is generating some data, you will feel like you'll get some issue or problem. But as a scientist or architect, you have to clean it up. Okay, so you can do. There is no such problem on it. or else you can search this is some problem, like this is my problem, and like which data set is required. You can
Mhm.
go through lots of website are existing over there. From there you can collect. So whichever suits you, you can do. I don't have any restriction.
So, thank you.
Mm. Okay, then I'll conclude the session over here. Thank you, team, for attending today's session. See you in the next session. Okay, happy weekend. See you in the next class.
Yes, sir.
Bye, team.
Thank you for your time, sir.
All right.
Thank you, sir. Good night, sir.
Thank you, sir.